Hey there, thanks for watching. My name is Christiana and my channel is The Well-Behaved Wallet, where my mission is to cultivate a well-behaved wallet to help me love the life I have while building the life of my dreams. So part of this loving the life I have is really sticking to my spending plan so that I can help create the life that I dream of. And staying on that spending plan means that I really have to pay very close attention to expenses. So I also like to make YouTube videos, and as you're watching now, and I've been looking for a way to sort of expand my shooting capacity and be able to shoot videos that are more full and kind of have more information in them. And what I wanted to have was like a mount or like a stand that I can put my phone on when I shoot, because I use my iPhone 6 and my an iMovie, and that's it. So I wanted to have a stand that I could mount my phone on while I'm doing things like playing with me, or maybe if I do like a cooking demo, or just to kind of have it be a little bit more stable, rather than what I use right now, which is just kind of propping it up, like using boxes or whatever to prop it up. So I was looking for a more permanent solution to how to hold my phone. So I went online and I researched some options, and I found one that I really liked. It was like a stand with like a flexible arm and then a thing that like held your phone. But that option was 90 bucks, and I ain't got 90 bucks in the budget yet for YouTube, because I'm not monetized. Like this is a hobby at this point. So I wanted to find a cheaper alternative. So I looked up DIY solutions for like phone mounts. I looked on YouTube and I found a couple videos that were pretty helpful, but nothing had exactly what I needed. So I ended up kind of cobbling together different ideas from different videos to make I call it a dupe to an item that I'd seen on Amazon. So I am here to kind of show you how I did that. And if you're like me and you're not super handy, or even if you are super handy, I'm going to show you exactly where I went in the store to find the things that I needed, because I spent a good amount of time just wandering around because I had no idea where to start. So I'm going to show you the aisles that I went to and how I found the stuff. And then I'm going to show you kind of how I put it all together. So kind of disclaimer, before I started this project, I had no idea if it would work. I was kind of like, I would say flying blind, but I didn't really know if it would turn out the way that I wanted. It did turn out the way that I wanted, so I'm really excited for that. And I'm happy to be able to share this tutorial because I couldn't find anything that was exactly what I was looking for, which is part of the reason why I'm making this video. So without further ado, I'm going to show you in the store. I went to Lowe's, and I'll show you the aisles that I went to find the things that I needed, and then I'll show you all the items I had and then how I put it together. I also used a drill, which I borrowed from a friend and I'm going to return, so there was no cost there. So the entire project cost me about $25, and the item that I was looking at on Amazon was $90. So that's a savings of about $70. So I'm super happy about that. So I'll show you, this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. And I'm really excited to show you how I made it. So, and this is from the Dollar Tree, and it just cost $1. This is like a selfie stick that I wrapped with tape to make it a little more stable. I just put it right there in the top of the stand right there, and I'll show you how I made this. So stay tuned. In the plumbing section of Lowe's. So start in the plumbing section. I then got a piece of galvanized steel pipe. I used a 3/4 size because I took that selfie stick thing with me and I literally stuck it in the top to see which size would fit the stick securely, and it was a 3/4 size. Next, I picked up a galvanized floor flange, again in the 3/4 inch. I had to ask someone for help on where to find this. Now that I see they had them all kind of grouped together, all the 3/4 inch sizes, that was helpful. Then I picked up some screws because I was going to be attaching the flange to this wood that you see right here, and there was just a pile of scrap discarded wood that people can take,
Okay, so
and
these
that's
are all
exactly
the
what I
materials
did.
I have this, and I'll bring you in closer so you can see. I have this 3/4 inch steel pipe. I have this piece of wood remnant. I have some screws. I have the galvanized floor flange. I have some a sander to sand down the wood, which if I had more time I would stain, but ain't got time for that right now. And then I have this drill and the selfie stick from the dollar store that I'm going to be repurposing. I also have my receipt from Home Depot so you can see exactly how much all of this cost.
Having fun while I sand, why not? Getting ready to drill the flange into the wood, and
there it is. My overhead shooting mount for just about $25. A savings of close to $70.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. I am certainly looking forward to using my brand new camera mount, and I hope, again, this has been helpful and kind of given you some guidance in how to create a solution that will work for you for less than you might be able to find online. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, I thank you for watching, and I hope that you'll keep watching. Bye!